Now the next thing we want to talk about is how to add color and color correction into our video clips. So you can come back to the media, okay, my media over here. We can select any color, any video footage. For example, I'm interested in this one because it's very raw, okay, so you can easily do some editings with it and very nicely done. So you can see we can select this video and we want to add coloration to it. All you need to do is to come over here to the top over here. You can see this small color balance. You can click on it and you can do the auto color balance. If you click on this, it's going to automatically generally adjust the color of this. So once you click, you'll see it has given us that small change. To my own opinion, it's very small, but it's a bit effective if you don't want too much of editing or too much of a coloration into your video clip. So you can see it has given it that very simple change. And you can match color. If you want to match this color to any location, you can just go ahead and do that. Or you can do white balance. If you have a specific place within this video that you know it's clearly or purely white, you can use it to also create your white balance. So you just click and you have the color picker. You can just select the particular place you feel like it's pure white, like this place, it's completely white. You can click on it and it gives it that a little bit of touch and a little bit of change, showing that an effect of white balance had been added into this very basic color. So I don't usually do much as regards the color balance. What I usually do is, so I can just click on this to accept. What I usually do is I can go back to this color correction. Okay, but you can do skin tone balance also if you want, but I don't do all that. You can go to the color correction, okay, where you have these very horizontal bars explaining the different features. For example, you have the brightness over here. You can adjust the brightness from the top over here. You can adjust it and you extend the brightness, and you can see the brightness, you've extended it. I want it to be somewhere like this. I think it's okay. And then the shadows, you can go ahead and extend and decrease the shadows. If you want to increase the shadows and make it reduce the shadows a little bit to give that small professional touch, okay. And you can come over here to the contrast and increase or decrease the contrast accordingly. You can see the contrast, you can increase or decrease it. I think I like it somewhere like this. And then you can play around with this brightness as well, increase it a little bit so it gives us that popping nature. And then we have the saturation. You can increase the saturation to put in more color, or you can bring it back to reduce the color. If you can go as far as the gray color or zero color, you can go to plain over here, or you can increase the coloration and it goes like this. I think I kind of like it this way. So at this point, and we want it up to this point. And then you have the color temperature. Okay, so you can go down here to reduce the temperature, or you can go up here to increase the temperature. And I think a little bit of an increase can give it that professional look that we are looking for, something like this. And I think this does a good job on this very adjustment. So you can decide to take in this very adjustment and apply it to other clips that you have. Okay, so this is basically how to add coloration into your clip or into your timeline. So you can just go ahead and apply it to any of your clip that you are interested in, or you can copy the effect and paste it somewhere on another clip of your choice. Okay, so but for adding coloration and doing some basic color correction and applying some color balance, this is it. And I think this does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.